We have
He's
Curtis.
out. He'll get it coming
Get
in.
through, I don't think.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm standing in for Tim to give an update on the new high school. Appreciate you having me. We got some pretty exciting photos and a video a drone video that the CTE students done, but I'll start out with some of the work that's been accomplished and what's coming up in the near future. As you can see in the photo there, you can actually see how the size of the school now since it's out of the ground. So a little bit on progress. Stormwater piping is being installed. The main water line has been installed, everything except for the vault and the main water meter. The second floor slab on deck concrete is complete in areas B, C, and D, which is the middle of the building and the classroom wings. A lot of the mechanical, electrical, plumbing, rough in above the ceilings on the first floor in the gym, locker room area is underway. The masonry in the auditorium and the gym, the walls are going up, as you'll see in some of the pictures, and some on the second floor as well. Steel's going up over, you'll see some pictures here, kind of in the middle section of the building towards the classroom areas. And then the walls are being framed up on some of the areas of the building as well. What's coming up here in the near future, we're going to finish the water line by installing the water meter, continue to work on the stormwater piping I mentioned earlier, complete the steel erection in the classroom wings of the building, and then we're going to start working above the ceiling, putting in ductwork, plumbing, electrical, all those rough ends, and then continue the metal stud framing in other parts of the building, and then you'll start seeing the exterior metal stud framing, that'll be holding brick at some point in the near future. So now we get to see some pictures. This is looking south, kind of towards the area D, which is the gym area. This is if you're looking west, so this is if you're looking towards the front of the school. Gym areas on the left where the masonry walls are. All that steel is kind of the middle of the building where the offices, admin, auditorium, cafeteria, classroom wings are off to the right. Shows you some of the masonry walls at the auditorium and the gym, how high they are. That's looking north in the gym. Be a nice gym. Auditorium, looking down into the auditorium from the control room, which will be at the back of the room. So you're looking down towards the stage area. This is the steel framing that's going up in the cafeteria area. As you can see, the ductwork is going in above ceilings, as well as we have electrical conduit and plumbing is going to be going in soon. And then we got some photos, drone photos from the CTE program, which they're going to show you a video here in a second, but this shows you the metal stud framing, so the walls are going up in the CTE wing area. This is an aerial. To your left, of course, is the gym, concession stand area, and you move to the auditorium to your right to the classroom wings at the very end down there where the crane's sitting. And you see you have some really nice views. This is looking south from the bus parking lot towards the classroom wings. Down, gym would be at the end. This, you can see the football stadium in front of the school. The pad to the left, that's the field house, the concrete pad that you see there. And then you'll have the baseball, softball, the sports to the left. That's all being graded out. And then I think we have a video. I'll turn it over to Brandon. The CTE folks have done a great job with drone footage.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty impressive.
It's an impressive campus.
It's impressive, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, so that's the auditorium in the middle. Start moving towards the cafeteria, kitchen areas, admin office areas. And then as you continue to walk down that hallway, you get into the classroom wings, which is where all that steel is going up right now. And towards the CTE spaces and classroom wings. It's hard to get it all in one picture. That's the road that's going around the school. There you can see the football stadium. And pretty soon you'll start seeing the sports fields in that area. I think that's it. So, any questions for me?
Beautiful. Yeah.